Welcome to Promine's AutoCAD tip of the week. Today I'm going to show you how to apply transparency to your objects in AutoCAD. I've inserted some layers with Promine Essentials. So what I'm going to do now is choose an object and give a transparency to this object. So now I'll go to properties, and if you don't have properties here, you hit Ctrl+1 and then you'll have this panel. Then now you go to General, to transparency, and then type a number between 0 and 90. 0 is no transparency and 90 is the maximum value that you can have for transparency. So I'll just say 70 and then escape, and then I can see that this is more transparent than the other objects. But you can also set transparency for the entire layer. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm gonna go to Layer Properties Manager, and I'll choose the 1175 3D draft. I'm gonna say that I want it to be 80. I can also type a value in here, and then I'll click OK, and then I can see that now it's transparent. Then if I change this layer, the 3D erase their layer, and set the different transparency value, then now I'm gonna set it to 40. I can see that this transparency applied is different from this one, because transparency was only applied to this object. And then if I want to change this and I want it to have the same transparency as the layer, then I'll select the object. I'll go to Home, Properties, and then click here and say that I want it to have the layer, the transparency by layer. Just gonna click here, but you can also have transparency by block or choose the transparency value. So and hit this, escape, and then I can see that this object has the same transparency value as the layer. And now you can also choose to have the realistic view. So you can also see the transparency feature here, and you can also use transparency and hatches. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you have comments or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below.